Alright folks, back to work on my healing bench again. Got this here Stihl BR430 backpack blower. This one was a bit of a chore. It had the typical problem with its the crankcase for the mount for the coil had got snapped in two. But since it had compression, I went ahead and purchased it from the guy anyway. And I got the new crankcase, but when I got the motor apart, unfortunately somebody had given it a bit of a hot supper at some point, and it had got a little bit of minor scoring on the piston and the cylinder, which I polished out with sandpaper, and I couldn't even tell after looking at it. So let's see if we can get her to start again now that it's on camera. Oh yeah. Love this thing, dude. Oh, it took a lot of work, but hard work pays off.